Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up email on Squarespace. Open your site dashboard and go to Settings, then Email and Marketing to begin connecting a provider. Choose Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 and follow the provider steps to verify your domain. Next, update DNS records at your domain host to include MX and TXT entries. I will walk you through common verification errors and how to test sending and receiving messages. Start by picking an email provider that fits your workflow and budget. Sign up for the plan you need, then verify your domain ownership inside the provider console. Copy the MX and TXT records they give you and be ready to add them at your domain registrar. I will explain TTL, propagation, and common propagation timelines so you know when mail will start flowing reliably to your new inbox. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort while you work on setup. They are built tough and keep you focused during long setup sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Log into your domain registrar and find DNS management for your domain. Add the MX records from your provider and include any required TXT or SBF records to authorize sending. Use the exact host and priority values the provider specifies and keep TTL at default if unsure. After saving, allow time for DNS propagation and then test sending an email to verify everything is routing correctly and arriving in the inbox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.